So hopefully my screen is visible for everyone.
It's good. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So hi, hello everyone. Thank you all for joining us for the yet another TMD community monthly meetup. Today we will covering up the quick insights of the all the new feature which was got introduced this month, basically the November update, and is it like called as 2311 service release. Here you will get like all the latest insight about the future, what exactly the coming up, and what are the latest new feature or the improvement comes from the Microsoft side. So we also like covering up this feature in the blog post. So in case you missed, you can just quickly go through the blog post to get all the insights what exactly come up and what. So let's get started. So we have categorized the feature in the like different categories, which is like app management, device management, device enrollment, as well as the security, and more it comes to the reporting point of view. So when it comes to the app management, so basically like the app management, we have the new grace period status added in the apps for Android and the Android AOSP. So which is basically like Microsoft Intune company portal app for the Android and the Android open source project now will show you the grace period status for the device, which doesn't meet any like compliant requirement, and but still are in the given grace period. So grace period you can define with within the Intune portal with respect to the compliance policy and also end user can see the date by which the device must be compliant, as well as the you will also get some like instruction set of instruction like how to become a compliant, and in case the user don't update the devices, it will be like fallen under the non-compliant status as expected. So the next feature is like minimum version update for the iOS company portal. So if you are using the company portal app, or you have enrolled your iOS in the Intune, so you will be required to update the certain version, the latest version to the iOS company portal. So in case like if you are not using the updated version, like maybe you will be prompted to just to update the company portal app. So the next feature it comes to the device management. So device management, we have like a new feature added, which is a part of the device new device experience. So in case you haven't tried out it, the new device experience in the admin center, you can just opt for the public preview and explore the new device experience. So as it is currently on the public preview, and you will get lots of like flexibility features and new add-ons with respect to the device management, and the another is like the feature update and the report support for the Windows 11 policies. So Windows 11 policies several dependencies. So in the case like the device will be not eligible for the upgrade. This is with respect to the device enrollment. So the device enrollment, we have like this feature was previously on the public preview. So is it now available on the GA? So moving ahead with respect to the device security, you will able to find out like we have new capability which is added for the Linux antivirus policy. So now you can able to set up more like policies with respect to the antivirus protection. These all the newly introduced setting which would be available inside the this antivirus policy template. And the another is like the new baseline is released for the Microsoft 365 app for enterprises. You can update your existing baseline where running to the version 2306. These two settings is not now got depreciated, and in terms of that one, you will have like now option to set up the enforcement label. So that allow you to provide some more control over your like endpoint security. Branding change. The firewall branding has been changed with respect to the Windows. So earlier it was known with Microsoft Defender firewall policies, and now it got renamed to the Windows Firewall. Hyper-V Firewall Management. So the new setting basically added for the for managing the firewall for the Windows Hyper-V, and this is like more related to the feature which was earlier there, and now it got like in the GA. So Defender for the endpoint security management and the enhancement is it now on the GA. So and the another is like security copilot, and the next is like with respect to the device configuration, you will find out like new settings, couple of new settings which is got introduced in the Apple setting catalog. So in the manage settings, like you can able to manage your like personal hotspot and the like data roaming. You can now have the ability to manage your Windows subsystem for Linux, so which is now available in the setting catalog. So enable Intune integration with the WSL, which is like Windows subsystem for Linux, and these are the like protected apps. So you will able to find out these apps is available as a part of this release which is introduced newly. Okay, so as soon as you will browse to the intune.microsoft.com, you will be inside the Microsoft Intune Admin Center, and most of you already aware like where to check the service release version or how to ensure like you are running with the updated Intune service release. So you just need to go to the tenant administration, and under the tenant administration inside the tenant status you will find out the service release, so which is like 2311. So 2311 is basically denoting as a year and the month. So 23 is 2023 and the 11 is representing as a number. It might take some time for you to get appeared because it is rolling out on the phase wise, like day one to the day four based on the like Microsoft schedule. So you can maybe you can check it out more details on this, like how basically this update is rolling out on the tenant wise, which was related to the device improvement. So device improvement, to check the more details, you need to opt this device experience, which is currently in the public preview. So you just need to click over this banner image because this for this tenant it was not activated earlier. And then next, like coming to the new setting catalog and all the features, you can quickly move to the devices. So here I will click on the configuration profile here, and just I will click view policy. I will be going to select the platform here and the setting catalog. So here I'm providing a name, and while clicking on the add setting, a setting picker will be get appeared automatically. So here you can able to find out all those settings which you wanted to check. For example, I wanted to check the Windows subsystem for Linux settings. So I will quickly search with this keyword, and here you can see. So here we can see like in this category we have around 12 result which is fallen under this. So based on your requirement, although need, you can proceed to configure this kind of policies. And to get some more insight, you can simply click on the I button to get what exactly this policy does. So we already have this post covered, so we will share with you so that you can get some more insights. Let me show you like the baseline version update here. So as soon as you will click on the security baseline, you can able to find out all those security baseline which is listed here with respect to the different products. So let me go through this Microsoft 365 apps for the enterprise here. We already have this old policy which was already in the place, and this policy is newly created as a part of the update. So here you can see the current baseline as well, like this was a previous release and this is the newly released. So in case you wanted to change your version, you can just simply select any of the policies and tap on the, here you will have this option whether we want to duplicate this profile before updating, apply this update to the duplicate profile. So in case you will select, I will just click. The previous baseline version is like my 2023 and the new baseline version is showing up version 2306. So we in that way we will proceed for the upgrading your existing like security baseline. Let me create a policy here. Like I'm selecting this platform which is like applicable Windows 10 and later, config manager, and the Windows 10, Windows 11, and Windows Server. So here you can see. So now the Microsoft Defender firewall profile is being renamed to the Windows Firewall rules and the Windows Firewall. So this keyword you will able to find out here.